How to download and install the Roblox app on your Android phone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video will show you how you can set up the Roblox on any Android phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. But to not install the Roblox app, simply go and open up the Play Store from your device and then go ahead and search for Roblox. And once you have searched for Roblox, you'll get to the first application, Roblox. You just need to tap on this one and simply go and tap on install. And it'll take a little time to install the application on your Android phone. Once the application gets installed, simply go and tap on this play button. Now to play the Roblox game, you need to have a Roblox account. So you can tap on create account in order to create a new account. If you don't have one, you can set your birthday, you can set your username and other information. You can create a new one, or if you already have an account, you can tap on sign in button and you can sign in with your username and password. And once you've signed in with your account, you have successfully logged in with your account, and now you can easily play the Roblox game on your Android phone. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.